Welcome again on my channel. My dear students, in my previous class, we have discussed about the reforms of examination systems as recommended by Mudaliar Commission or Secondary Education Commission. Today I am going to discuss with another recommendation of Secondary Education or Mudaliar Commission. Today we are going to discuss about the recommendation on technical education, the education of language, the education of physical education, and recruitment of teachers and teachers training and the welfare of teachers. So here we go with first, technical education. We know one fact that there are many schools for the students to study their normal education. The students may get their bookish knowledge from the continuing education system. But the commission felt one thing, that not only the bookish knowledge is enough for the students to earn their livelihood. That is why they recommended that every school should have arrangements for technical education. If the students get technical education from the stages of secondary education, so at the end of their education, if they fail to gather anything with their bookish knowledge, the technical education may be effective to earn their livelihood. That is why the commission recommended to arrange technical education for the students from secondary education in every schools. Now we will go with the education of language as recommended by Secondary Education Commission or Mudaliar Commission. The commission recommended that the medium of instruction for secondary education will be mother tongue or any regional language. In the lower secondary stage, the students will have to learn two languages. One English and another Hindi. But there will be a barrier that in a year the students will learn only one language, and in higher secondary level the students will have to learn two languages, one mother tongue or regional language and another English. Central Advisory Board Council later took decision that in senior secondary stage the students will have to learn total three languages, one mother tongue or regional language, two English, and number three Hindi. So this was the education of language and the instruction or the medium of instruction as recommended by Mudaliar Commission or Secondary Education Commission. Now we will go with physical education as recommended by the Secondary Education Commission or Mudaliar Commission. To build a healthy nation, the Mudaliar Commission or Secondary Education Commission give force on the physical exercise and physical and mental well-being of the students. The commission felt that only a healthy nation can build a developed country. That is why the commission recommended that every school should have arrangements to check physical well-being of the students on a regular basis. They also recommended that there will be a physical education center in central and state level. To build a healthy nation, to build a developed country, a healthy students need. So the commission recommended that in every schools there will be arrangements for physical education, check up for the students, their physical and mental well-being. So this was the recommendation about physical education recommended by Secondary Education Commission or Mudaliar Commission. Now we will go with the recommendation for the teachers recruitment, for the well-being of the teachers as recommended by Secondary Education Commission or Mudaliar Commission. The commission suggested that there will be only one rule in all India basis for the recruitment of the teachers. After recruitment, the teacher will go for 1 year teachers training. One will teachers training after their recruitment. They also suggested for the well-being of the teachers that there will be pensions after retirement of the teachers. For the teachers there will be provident fund for the teachers. For the well-being of the teachers there will be life insurance and so on. The commission also suggested that the children of the teachers will get education free of cost, and they have told that at the age of 60 the teachers will get retirement. So these were the recommendation about the recruitment of teachers and well-being of the teachers. So my dear students, in this video, in this class, we have discussed about the technical education, about the education of language and medium of instruction for study, about the recommendation of physical education and the recruitment of teachers and the well-being of the teachers. In this video, we have come to know that besides bookish knowledge, besides their knowledge on books, the students will have to learn, the students will have to gather knowledges on technical education, and on the basis of language, the students will have to learn 3 languages, 1 mother tongue or regional language, 2 English, and number 3 Hindi. And now we already have come to know about physical education. The commission suggested that to build a healthy nation, the students will have to go through a check physical and mental well-being of the students. And for this reason, there will be a built up of central advisory board for the well-being, mental and healthy well-being of the students. And for the next, we will go with teachers, for the recruitment of teachers and well-being of teachers. The teacher will get retirement at the age of 60. For the teachers, there will be pensions, provident fund, life insurance. The children of the teacher will get education free of cost. So okay, thank you my dear students. In my next class, we will go with another recommendation by the Secondary Education Commission or Mudaliar Commission. Thank you.